In Iowa right now. I just watched a poor old boy get ran over by a truck sliding out of control. And they got fire department and everything else. They're getting ready to land a helicopter. Where I'm at, they're landing it out in the field next to me. That's how close it is. See that? And the guy was right over there. And he was waving at me to come and help him because he flipped his car over and I wasn't going to get out of the vehicle. And the truck hit him broadside at 70 miles an hour. Most likely killed him. It's a hell of a scene, man. Hell of a scene. They're landing this helicopter right in front of me. Look at this. Very, very dangerous. This is why people need to slow the fuck down on ice. There's no way I could go over there and help that guy. I would be right there in the helicopter right beside him if I would have.